Good afternoon. My name is Mahmoud Rahman. I'm your examiner today. Can I take your full name, please?
Nilima from Uttara is my full name.
Okay. So, what should I call you today?
Nitra, my nickname.
Okay. So, Nitra, do you work or study?
I'm studying in BA Honors in English from the institute named Shantamariam University.
Okay. And about your study, what do you like most?
I like the drama. I like drama most because it is a subject or it is a term that I love most because it feels like I am living in my dreams and it attracts me anyway, and sometimes I like to act on them as well.
Okay. And is there anything you don't like about your study?
Of course, I don't love overwriting, and that's irritate me every time because in literature we have to write more 5 or 6 pages within short time, so that irritates me.
Okay. So now let's talk about your favorite place. Okay. So what place do you like most?
Obviously it's my hometown, which is in Chatpur.
Okay. So how often do you visit this place?
I visit my hometown twice in a year and I loved my village, and that's why.
Okay. So why do you like it so much?
Because I have born and brought up in Dhaka in the city center, so I barely go to countryside and village and to see village. So it fascinates me in the countryside because it is full of green and river also, so that's why I love that.
Okay. So is it popular with many other people?
Of course, my hometown is popular and well known to others as well because it has great it has hilsa fish, which is our national fish as well.
Mm-hmm. Has it been changed very much since you first went there?
Of course, it has changed structurally because since I was a child, I visited that place many times. But that time, I observed that it was full of green and river. But nowadays, I went there and see that the buildings and the roads are growing, and the amount of buildings have been increased immensely.
Fabulous. Okay, Nilima, now we're heading to the part 2. So in this part, you will have a cue card to talk 1 to 2 minutes.
Okay.
I'll give you 1 minute to make some plan and take some notes as well, or take some preparation. And then you need to talk 1 to 2 minutes. Okay? So that's your cue card, and your 1 minute starting now.
Okay.
Ready?
Yes.
Okay, just another second. Please start.
Okay. I visit a lot of websites, and I usually use educational sites and a lot of other things. But among them, the clothing sites fascinates me a lot because I find it useful, and I found a dress from Facebook, which is Caliph International, and that's really helped me out to buy clothes. And in these modern days, we usually don't go to shopping mall, and some of us don't have much time to shop a lot, so we find it useful through net by using internet and by using some clothing sites. We can easily buy clothes from our home, and that's actually helpful. And I generally buy clothes, varieties of clothes, like casual or formal or anything, and that actually a nice source to me. It is easy to find products in online, and it saves money also. Not only it saves your time, but also it saves your money, because they have nice amount of discounts as well, and that is really great for me. And I recommend some of my friends to do the same, because they have all kind of products, and they have a lot of stock, and they also brought us products from overseas, from abroad, and that fascinating. And I do shopping usually from there.
Okay, Nilima, I'm stopping you. Your 2 minutes is over. Thank you.
Thank you.
So now we are going to the part 2, and so in this part I will ask you some relevant questions. Okay, so what effect has internet had on the way people generally communicate with each other?
We usually think that internet get us closer. Through net we can maintain our distance of relationships, but it also keeps us apart from our family, friends as well, because whenever we use internet, or whenever we are connected through net from with others, it actually may keep us apart from parents, because they are at our home, but we don't usually talk to them in face to face. We are used to talk with friends and family through Facebook, WhatsApp, Viber, and etc.
Thank you. So, do you think internet is being used more and more for communication?
Nowadays, it seems like it is overused for communication. In every sectors, we find that people are connected through internet.
Do you think the information we're getting online, those are reliable?
We get so many information in internet, but among them some are fake and some are true. So we have to every time we don't have to really believe them, what they are saying or what they are delivering. So in internet it is easy to deliver any kind of fake news. So we have to be aware of that thing.
Why do you think some people use internet for shopping?
Some people do use internet for shopping, and I'm one of them, and because it saves your time and it saves money, so it is easy to buy things from home. I don't have to go to shopping mall to shop anything. I just usually have to use an app or website for that, and I can find my desired product in online, and I can order that, and they will deliver it to my home. So it is easy.
Okay. What kind of things are easy to buy and sell online?
As according to me, it's girly thing. These are really trendy, and these are very attractive to the girls, and that's why these girls' products are very easy to sell. I think so. Among them, shoes, cosmetics, and Western clothes are very famous.
Okay, so last question. Do you think shopping on the internet will be more popular or less popular in future?
I guess in future it will be increased, because today we can find that it is much popular among us, and it will not lose its popularity. I think so. I think it will increase its amount of customers, because it's easy. It's easy for everyone actually.
Fantastic. So that's all for today. Thank you very much for your time.
Thank you.
Cheers.